Imagine fixing errors and boosting performance in React with one clever trick. First, bring in useState from React. Include QueryErrorResetBoundary from React Query. Error boundary comes from React Error Boundary. Have your custom error fallback component ready? Let's build our main component. Use a key state to control re-renders. Now, wrap your component logic. Start with QueryErrorResetBoundary. Use the reset function it provides. Then, wrap your UI in an error boundary. Use onReset to trigger re-renders and query resets. Listen to key changes to reset the boundary. Place your component inside. Close the reset function block. And the QueryErrorResetBoundary. Finish the return statement. Close the component function. Here's the complete setup for a high-performance error handling in React components.